Previously on D&D-ish.
Your Honor, I do declare the evidence has been tampered with.
Order in the court.
Whoosh! I will throw you out of this courtroom sooner than you can say soon.
All right, Chris, if you're going to do that, though, you need to make a roll for that. Contested strength check with...
Whoosh. I just want everybody to know that I happen to fully understand this case from the inside and out.
I say we just say guilty so we can go to lunch.
Whoosh!
I'm only gonna tell you what I saw if you tell me 5 nice things about me.
Whoosh!
I need you to hold me back right now because I'm about to whoop my mama's butt. I'm going to whoop her butt right now.
No, hey, back down.
Order,
back down.
order.
Hold me back.
My mom is dead.
Whoosh! Hey, you listen here, okay? When we are in that courtroom, we are a team. You were not being a team player out there.
I've done my research and I have brought so much material and I have so many foundings.
Whoosh!
DM, I would like to roll for stealth to sneak in and steal the file.
Yeah, go ahead and roll me a stealth at disadvantage, though, because there are security cameras.
Oh, that's a 2.
Oh, God.
Whoosh!
I swear to God, if this snack machine doesn't start working, I'm going to pound my head in.
Yeah, we haven't got the funding for that in 20 years.
You'll give yourself a concussion doing that.
Whoosh! I'd like to file for divorce, DM.
Well, given the circumstances of what's been going on, yeah, you can just do that. I don't even need to. You don't even need to roll.
Oh, okay, thank
Yeah.
you.
Whoosh!
Attention, over here. We're going to take your picture. We're taking your picture. I'm taking your picture.
Oh! No!
Whoosh! How did my class action lawsuit go from the papers?
You don't want to know.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Shit.
Whoosh! Whoosh! Oh no! Is that who I think it is?
Yeah, it is.
And we're back. Welcome to D&D-ish. My name is Dan, your DM. To my left, going clockwise, we've got John Gerhardt, Tristen, Rouse, Whitney, Peters, Hayden, McGovern, and Chris Eisterhold. We're getting back into this very heated legal courtroom drama, and as a note for our newer audience members, no magic during this campaign. I know that's been a change of pace for a lot of people, but I quite frankly have been very fond of it, considering how broken magic can be. All right, well, when we last left our crew of both legal contestees and contest stores, we were in the midst of a heated murder trial.
God, yeah, it was such. The photos that they showed were honestly embarrassing. I don't remember wearing those outfits. So yeah.
My character Markman does remember you wearing those outfits, but unfortunately, without the actual physical evidence, he can't do anything about that.
Yes, some of the evidence was apparently lost. Some of our lawyer friends have been contesting with that in the back scenes lately.
Mm-hmm. It's crazy the amount of rounds we went to battling. 1, the snack machine.
Yes.
2, somebody had waxed the floors in the hallways. That was crazy.
That hurt.
Yeah.
It hurt when I fell.
Janitors doing their thing.
I couldn't stop slipping.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, given all that's occurred, we are going to get back to this legal battle where the prosecution has actually just called one of the key witnesses to the stand. We're going to enter in there now and see how this court case has been proceeding.
Is that who I think it is?
Hayden, can you remind us who is speaking right now?
Hi, I am Bryan Logwood. I am the chief prosecutor here in this courtroom. Everyone knows me as the most pleasant man around, though I tend to be quite argumentative.
It's the pleasant prosecutor, Bryan. Yes, Bryan, you just inquired as to who that was, and you actually see entering through the doorways who you thought it was. It is Liam Leopold, the chief suspect in this case, actually. He He is
He's
being.
the biggest witness and the chief suspect.
He is the chief suspect.
He
Yes.
saw the murder.
So
He knows what he did.
Yes. He has been brought up from the defendant's side as a witness for cross-examination currently right now regarding the case.
I would like to remind everybody that I am the defendant in this. I am defending myself.
Yes. There was a whole thing about that, Markman, about you defending yourself in this co-murder case.
I am the most qualified person to do it.
And Liam Leopold, yes. So your supposed partner in crime, Liam Leopold, is about to be cross-examined by the prosecution, and again, you are representing both yourself and your partner here.
I am.
Now, Liam, please feast your eyes on this here chart. And I pull down an image of Liam outside of a 7-Eleven at 12:41 a.m. Leon, as you can see, you are spotted here on the crime scene.
Yeah, I was at the 7-Eleven.
And is it true that in this next image, you happen to have a Pepsi bottle in your hand?
I feel like I should point out for the benefit of the jury that is actually a diet Pepsi, but yes.
Oh, Leon, so pedantic. Well, this Pepsi bottle, I whip a Diet Pepsi bottle out of my coat. I hold it up in front of is evidence. Look, fingerprints. And I set it down on the table.
What is the
Jury?
No, not the jury. The judge.
Hey, Dan.
Yes.
I know this is your first time DMing like kind of a legal thing, but
yeah,
we can't keep forgetting the judge.
I
Yeah,
know
the
he's
judge
kind
is
of important. The audience has been flaming me on it. Listen, guys, I didn't go to law school. I got a degree in graphic design.
I know. The judge is the most important person in the courtroom.
And to be fair, the player's manual for this so dense.
It might as well be a Barbary
To be fair,
legal
you
handbook.
are also called the judge as
Yeah.
part of it, so that does make sense that you would be confused.
Thank you, Tristen.
I don't mean to be both hurtful and helpful in this.
No,
scenario.
I'd rather you be both than one, unlike the comments.
Did you read the bar prep book that I sent you?
No. Why would I study for the bar for a D&D game?
Well, in case you want to use any of the legal terms.
The judge,
It's a lot of Latin.
Judge Horus,
Thank you.
is going to say, "Now, Mr. Logwood, this evidence should have been filed previously. Have you given us this evidence post-hence, or are you getting your grubby finger mitts all over the fingerprints?"
I would like to say that I have not seen this evidence submitted anywhere in this case.
That is an excellent point.
I object from the audience.
Yeah, get it.
Hi, guys. My name's Macy May, and I like to show up to this courtroom and just object because me and my mama have had a family dispute, and I know there's been a murder, but it's our turn to see the judge.
Flashback to that family dispute real quick for me.
Mama, get out of my closet. That's where I keep my most valued American Girl dolls.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I am in charge of this household. You will let me go where I please.
Mama, I told you, if you touch Samantha's head one more time, you're going to be kicked out of this household and you're going to live on the street.
Well, y'all quit arguing about the dolls and the...
You know for a fact that I own this house. You can't kick me out.
Oh, no! I fell down and my mama hurt me.
Oh, stop it.
And scene. Yes, Miss Macy May, I appreciate your concern about your American Girl dolls, but this is a murder case that we have currently got going on. Please sit down and let us continue this trial, unless you have something pertinent to this case.
Yeah, one last thing, Judge. That's actually my Pepsi can. I don't know how Mr. Logwood got it. Can I please have it back?
What, Mr. Logwood, what kind of banana court are you hosting in here?
I believe it's called a kangaroo court.
Not important right now.
Your Honor, this Pepsi bottle is, in fact, a lie.
Stenographer, please read that back to me.
This Pepsi bottle is a lie.
And can you please repeat back what Miss Macy May said to me just a moment ago?
That was my Pepsi bottle.
I do believe, Mr. Stenographer, that she said Pepsi a can. Did she not?
Correct.
Indeed. So was it a Pepsi can, Miss Macy May, or was it a Pepsi bottle, Mr. Longwood?
Yeah, which one was it?
The Pepsi bottle was found stuffed in the victim's mouth upon arrival at the scene.
Understood. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Miss Macy May, please come claim your can.
Thank you very much.
All right. Now, if we're done with shenanigans, did you previously submit this to evidence?
No, sir.
Why not?
For I like to do things differently around here.
Roll me a persuasion check to see if you can actually submit this last minute.
5.
5? All right, hold on a second. Now, Mr. Logwood, you are aware of the legal proceeding guidance that I must abide by. I must strike this evidence from this case. Everyone on the jury, please disregard everything Mr. Longwood just said.
It's so confusing.
I understand, sir. John, who finds this confusing?
This is Chance Dugwood. He's just a guy who works for Fedex, and he got summoned for jury, and this has been a month-long trial, and he's over it.
Yeah, it's been a very dragged out.
He's here for peace, and honestly, like, yeah, he wants justice, and yeah.
Yeah. No, totally.
DM, I don't know if Chance knows what justice means.
John, give me a quick roll to see if Chance knows what justice means.
6.
He knows what it means to him. And what does it mean to him?
That's right. It means people get what they deserve.
I'd say that's good enough for just about anybody.
Oh,
Now,
it's so confusing.
Mr. Chance, I do say that it is your legal civic duty to pay as much attention as you possibly can.
Oh, wait, are you saying that I do pay good attention?
You certainly should try.
But I pay attention, right? And you notice?
Yes, I do notice. Now, please pay attention.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Very good. Now, we are going to take a brief recess for 30 minutes for lunch. I have been at this for far too long.
Thank God.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. No need. Don't everyone get all excited at once.
Bryan, I know what game you're playing here. You're just trying to stack up as many recesses as we can to get this case thrown to a different court.
Indeed, I'm sick of this shit.
Listen, you know as well as I that I wasn't actually at that murder, but maybe Liam was. But
Hey guys, I can hear everything you're saying.
Oh shit, I'm talking into the mic.
Yes, we just adjourned. You haven't left yet. Please go.
Yeah.
None of this is admissible to the jury.
Indeed.
But I heard all of it.
Ignore it.
Should I strike that from
Strike
the record?
that from the record, stenographer.
Yeah, Marky, I'm trying to make this case as nonsensical as possible.
We step out of the hallway.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Macy, show me that snack machine. You look like I'm real hungry.
I could go for a Kit Kat.
Oh yeah, just down a really particular hallway. I always forget if it's a left or a right.
Is it the one with the light missing?
Macy May, roll me a history check to see if you can remember where this vending machine is.
A 6.
A 6. So this happened to you last time you tried to find any vending machine in this entire courthouse. It is a labyrinthine maze of nonsensical rooms and hallways that all look identical. The same wooden crap, the same 70s paneling. It's confusing as hell. It takes you about 10 minutes of this 30-minute recess to find this vending machine. Who all have you taken along with you? Who's followed Macy?
Can I help lower that amount by using my ability written down?
You sure can. And Chris, real quick, remind me, the stenographer. Who is this stenographer again?
My name is Jace.
Jace.
And I'm good at my job.
Jace the stenographer.
Yeah, I'm really good at my job. I've written everything down from when I wake up in the morning to when I go to bed at night and every time in between.
Yes, and you remember every bit of it as well with your, I believe it's an eidetic memory?
Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Can Markman pull Liam aside?
Yeah, you sure can. Hey, what's up, Mark?
Liam.
Yeah.
You know as well as I that I had nothing to do with this.
Oh, yeah, you absolutely didn't.
So, why have you dragged me down to hell with you?
Because I'm hoping that if I can convince them that you kind of did it, that they can at least give me a partial sentence.
15 years of med school, and then lawyer school, and then veterinary school.
Yeah.
And then Peace Corps. And then 4 years that we served in the military means nothing to you, does it?
Oh, it means everything to me, but my life means more. It just is what it is, man. And you're legally required to help me because you're my hired lawyer.
And I'm defending myself.
Exactly. It's confusing.
You know what I'm going to do to make sure this case goes my way? I'll do anything.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. What, are you going to murder me? Ha! That's going to put you in more heat.
I walk away.
Macy, I can't believe your mother would just go through your stuff without your permission.
My mother is a biatch.
I hope she gets brought to justice.
I hope. Chance.
Can I volunteer for your jury?
Oh, yes. Once we get that judge to agree to see my case, I'm going to pick you for the jury. I'm going to ask you to be the first person in the jury.
I'll put a mustache on and I'll go by
Cheech?
Cheech.
Oh, that's
I'll
a
go
good
by
name.
Cheech.
That's a beautiful name.
Now that you mention it, I will head down to the judge and proposition this to him.
Thanks,
we'll flash over to the judge's
Bryan.
conversation with Bryan. Yes, Mr. Logwood, I'm trying to enjoy my Subway sandwich.
Hello, Judge. I would like to, clearly, since this case makes absolutely no sense at all, and lots of things are going wrong, we should just scrap it and instead do a case about Macy May's mother.
Yeah, I bet you would like that, wouldn't you, Mr. Logwood?
Can I roll persuasion?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead and roll persuasion.
1.
1.
That's a nat 1 for real.
Yeah, he goes, yes, I bet you would like that, Mr. Logwood, seeing as how you've probably got something going on with Macy May's mother over there.
Oh, well,
Everyone in the courtroom knows it, Mr. Logwood.
no, I
Except
never.
Macy May herself, apparently.
I would never.
Sure. Now get out of my chambers so I can finish my sandwich.
Jalapenos on a meatball sub?
I like my meatballs spicy. Thank you very much. I'll not have my sandwich taste judged.
I question your judgment.
You can question my judgment, sir, on sandwiches, but not in the course of law. Now leave before I have my bailiff make you.
The only sandy witch I'm aware of is your mother on the beach.
Bailiff! Come and get this man.
Yeah, you gotta go.
Only bay leaf I'm aware of is in my soup.
I'm gonna pick you up by the shoulders.
Probably the only seasoning you put in there. Now get out. Yes.
Can I take
Jace.
Macy May aside?
Yes,
And,
yes.
Macy May, I've been going through all these court notes for the murder trial for a while,
Yes, sir.
and I've noticed a little bit of something of you're kind of at every one of these locations.
You figured me out.
What do you mean? Figured you out?
Let me just say hello to George Washington, Mr. Jace.
Wait, real quick, hold on, Whitney. Is that a George Washington as in a $1 bill?
That's a bribe check, isn't it?
That's a bribe. That's absolutely a bribe check. This is just a servant of the court, so give me a bribe.
$1.
5.
Okay, real quick, actually, you need to do that at disadvantage. With a George Washington, come on.
10.
Okay, a 5. Jace?
I
that
don't
affect you?
get bribed so easily.
Listen here. If we just go back and erase a few things from your little notepad thing, make it like a little dry erase board. We're gonna erase it and put who's guilty, tell the jury, so that me and my mama can hash it out in front of this judge.
I need a little bit more green, if you know what I mean.
Say hello to Dwight E. Eisenhower.
For my player, I'm a graphic designer. Is Dwight Eisenhower on any U.S. currency?
Yes.
He's on the
It's on the $3 bill.
Wait, is he actually? you pull out a crisp 3 or
Oh, is it the 3 or is it the silver dollar?
$7 bill?
There's the silver dollar.
He's on the silver dollar.
Oh, so it's another $1.
It's a shiny dollar for you.
So you got a shiny $1 and a green $1. How does that roll to see and then, tell me
I will
how,
roll to resist bribe.
Yeah. How does
It's,
Jace respond?
2.
2. That shiny new $1.
Oh.
That's looking pretty good, actually. You might.
Look at it shine.
Yeah.
Jace, look over here.
Give me-
Now look over here.
I'm
You're,
looking-
Look over there.
you're almost there, Macy May. Now give me one with advantage. A new
All right.
vibe check.
Here's my advantage roll. Woo! Hoo-hoo, it's 4.
Roll me again.
11.
11. I think that beats it.
Yeah, I do take a corruption.
All right. So you strike. What exactly do you want Jace to strike from his record?
It wasn't a Pepsi bottle. It was a can.
Yeah, I'm gonna remove any product placement that is in this trial, just for you, and I will, if I am asked to repeat anything, repeat it where it's part of your trial.
I'm going to type bottle, put B, parentheses.
B parentheses.
Liam Leopold is guilty. This trial's over.
Liam Leopold
In parentheses, Audle.
is guilty.
Okay.
Audle.
Great.
I am gonna go talk to
You got
Jace
it.
Oh.
now.
Okay, so now we're going to flash around to a different conversation now with Jace and Marky Markman.
Jace, how are you doing? Jace,
Yeah, I'm
doing good.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was writing down some stuff.
You're such a good stenographer. You're writing down this conversation, Jace.
Yeah.
I need you to stop writing this conversation just for a moment, please.
Stop writing
Jace.
this
Jace.
conversation. Yeah.
Maybe this
Marky.
crisp Lincoln will change your mind.
It's a whole $5, Jace. I don't know. What do you think?
Can I roll a bribe check?
Roll me a bribe check.
He does get a +2 because of my corruption level.
Yeah, you do get a +2 because his corruption level's gone up since taking that other bribe.
That's a 10.
10.
10.
Yeah.
What do we say? What's your corruption level at right now?
My corruption level's at 25.
25. So you tell me then, Chris, does that beat your corruption level?
It does.
All right.
Listen,
You accept it with grace.
no one is going to stop you. If you were the one to help get Liam out of the picture, no one's going to suspect you.
How would you suggest I do that?
I produce a vial of rat poison.
Okay.
Um,
I'm familiar with this liquid.
I've condensed down. I've spent a couple days condensing down a lot of rat poison in my home lab.
I have one of those myself.
What are you guys talking about here?
It's-
Nothing.
It's off the record.
Oh, that's my favorite album.
It's not an album, and it's there's no records involved.
Well, tell that to ABBA.
Just you know what to do, and I leave the conversation.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Did you hand me the rat poison?
Yeah, I handed it to you. I handed it to you.
Have rat poison.
You roll me a who is this? Chance. Roll me a perception check as you're walking up to see if you see this exchange.
I'll tell
of
you
a
right
bottle.
now I fail. I'm just going here to talk to Jace.
Well,
Okay,
I mean,
then yeah, you
can I
absolutely do not notice that.
Can I make a roll? I'm
Go ahead.
there.
Yeah, anyone who is present there in the immediate area.
I'm rolling.
12.
Yeah. 12. Well, okay,
Well,
I
I
want for reference. This is all happening next to that vending machine, and nobody has actually moved away from the vending machine. So
I
you're
would
all
have pulled Jace apart.
you pulled Jace aside for a brief moment.
Yeah, of course.
Okay,
yeah.
and then I assume you. Okay,
And
so,
then I gravitate back to the
yeah,
vending machine.
slowly Jace is just naturally
But-
gravitating back.
But
to the
like
vending
not
machine.
not so far that.
But not so far that anyone could
that
actually
Bryan-
hear.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
so far that everyone couldn't hear, but Bryan could have easily walked over like he just did.
Yeah,
and-
Bryan walked over, and
so did.
so what'd you roll in your perception?
Chance.
12.
12. Chance absolutely failed. And
I'm just eating my Gardettos.
Macy May is hanging out as well. What did you roll?
A 10 for my Gardettos.
Okay, you're too distracted by the Gardettos. 12. How stealthily were you guys making this?
Can I roll a stealth check?
Roll a stealth check,
Okay.
both of you.
Now I'm not that sly, but
Yeah.
a little stealthy. Nat 20.
Nat 20.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
19.
It's like
What?
you basically toss it into his coat jacket, and it's like nothing happened. You don't notice a thing. You just see these two guys talking about something.
As I walk away, I wink, and then I do like a coffee sip.
I blink at you.
Hey, Jace, can we talk for a second?
Yeah.
Hey, I got a crisp Benjamin Franklin here for you.
Ooh. Wow. Whatever this is, I want to point out, you automatically fail whatever he's about to
That's
bribe
a
you.
Right,
huge
right.
bribe.
Yeah.
Can you write nice things about me? Just like anytime that I come up in the stenographer stuff, can you just like, he's got a nice smile and
Nice smile.
he's wearing a sensible t-shirt.
Sensible shirt.
His hair shined ever so brightly.
Bright hair.
Had a soft tone on his voice. Just like, I just want you to just make me look good in those papers.
Yeah. I can.
Hey, I got another crisp Benjamin Franklin for you right here. Number 2.
Oh man.
What is looking at me right now? What's the first positive thing that comes to mind?
Your eyes.
Oh, thank you.
Bing bong.
They're open.
The courtroom bells ring, and as an indicator that recess is now ending.
Oh, those dang courtroom bells.
Jace, you mind coming behind the vending machine with me real quick?
Yeah.
One of you needs to roll me a strength check to move the vending machine out from the wall.
That is a 16.
16. Jace,
That
do you
is.
help?
Oh yeah. I'll help.
What are you?
With a 14.
A 14. Yeah, you guys go on either side. Well, real quick, as these guys are positioning on either side of the vending machine, what are the rest of everybody
I'm
doing?
going back to the courtroom.
You're
The
going back to
bell
the
rang.
courtroom. Okay, Markman's moving back to the courtroom. Macy May,
I have my alarm clock set to this tone. I'm off to the courtroom.
off to the courtroom.
Chance is daydreaming about the wonderful compliment he just got.
Cool. roll me a quick D4.
D4?
Yeah.
That's a 4.
You are distracted for the next 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Daydreaming about this. You are going to be 40 minutes late to the next session of court.
Oh my god, okay.
So, moving the vending machine. You guys pull it out enough for both of you to squeeze back there.
Cool. I love this spot. This is one of my favorite spots.
Yeah, Jace, I thought I would remind you of your beginnings. You and I, yeah?
Oh yeah.
When we first shared a moment back here, we were young law students.
Cut back to that moment.
Oh, this is a cool place. I've never been back here before.
Yeah, I found this trying to get the hushy ball from inside the stuck machine.
Yeah. You know what? I really think that I can change the world. I think we can both change the world.
I think you can too, Jace. We just have to remember to stay good.
Yeah. We can be the change that this government needs. Don't you think so?
We cut back?
Cut back.
We cut back.
Jace,
Yeah.
does this Queen Elizabeth ring any bells?
I believe
Yeah.
Logwood is holding up a British pound to you, Jace. How does that affect your corruption score?
The root of corruption is London.
That is true. That's
so
fact.
it's a 10x amount. So
You recall the moot court tournament we took part in London?
yeah.
Flashback to London.
Pip, pip, here we go. Cheerio.
Your
Hey,
Honor,
fish and chips and all that.
Your Honor, I want to bring your attention to this chart. Is it true that you were outside of this Walgreens at 1 a.m.?
Yeah, it was. I was there. was outside that Walgreens.
I'll rest my case.
Guilty.
Bailiff, arrest this man.
On it.
And we did that with pure love.
We cut back.
Cut back.
Jace, I've noticed
Yeah,
you've been straying far from the path.
I have. But, we can't really change anything. Right? So might as well just live in the system.
You can't change the system if you become corrupt with the system, Jace.
I'm not corrupt. I'm just
Look at you.
slanted.
You've got little pokey nodules at the top of your head.
Just because I have my pokey nodules and some money coming out of my pockets and my other pockets and my back pockets and my shirt pockets.
Your eyes are bloodshot, Jace.
Just because of the coffee.
You're not the man I remember.
Well, that's the thing about time. It changes us.
Well, I just want to give you this, Elizabeth. No strings attached. And I head back to the courtroom.
You leave Jace back to the courtroom.
I lose 3 corruption.
You lose 3 corruption.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay.
Change of heart. We
Well.
cut back to the courtroom where Judge Horus is impatiently waiting for
Judge! Judge!
Yes, Macy May. What?
I was just going to say there's a little bit of ketchup on your shirt.
Really? Where?
or maybe it's marinara.
That is
I
marinara.
think that's marinara.
Oh,
I
yes,
want
I was having a sandwich. That's not important.
a meatball sub with jalapenos on it. Can you
I
believe
like it
that?
spicy. My taste in sandwiches is not pertinent to this case. We will resume trial.
Um,
I'm sorry, Mr. Chance. Did I startle you?
No, yeah, it's good.
My apologies.
I get to cross-examine now, don't I?
Yes, Marky Markman, it is now your chance to cross-examine Liam Leopold, your supposed partner.
Liam,
Yeah.
is it true
Well, hold on a second. I gotta take a sip.
that
Yeah.
you're drinking from a can of Pepsi right now?
It's a Diet Pepsi, just like I had in the 7-Eleven, but yes.
Why don't you go ahead and turn that label out for us?
Right there. Is that important?
Jury, I want you to all look at me right now really quick. Do I look like a man that drinks Pepsi?
Maybe.
Look over at my desk.
Yeah, we don't know.
There's a Diet Pepsi.
Objection, Your Honor. This is so subjective.
Objective sustained. Strike that from the record. Ask a different question.
Fine. Liam, is
Yeah.
it true that you killed that woman and stuffing a Pepsi can in her face? Or is it not true?
Objection, Your Honor. It was a Pepsi bottle found stuffed in the victim's mouth.
I think if you look at the court record, it might say otherwise.
Yeah, let's look at that court record.
Yes, the court record says. What does it say? What was it a Pepsi can or Pepsi bottle?
So, Jace will refer to his notes,
Mhm.
panic a little bit because Marky Mark's conversation was not written down. And so Jace doesn't know what Marky Mark bribed Jace to do. So he will go with the previous and first bribe and say, it was a Pepsi, but Liam Leopold is guilty. Bottle.
Case over.
Roll. Oh God, I think this is something the judge needs to roll.
Dude, you're going to get a huge bonus from your corruption.
Yeah. Okay, he's definitely got disadvantage on this. Okay. Well, that is a convincing argument. Well, jury, you heard it here first. Apparently, it was a Pepsi, but Liam Leopold is guilty. Convict him. Otto.
Oh, Your Honor, there was a little
Yes,
bit
Jace.
more. There was a little bit more.
Yes. What else?
Sorry. It
Yes.
also says,
Pay attention, jury.
Yeah, it also says juror number 1, Chance Dugwood, has really soft eyes.
And so it must be so. Remember that, jury, when we're in our deliberations.
Thank you.
Is there any other questions
Wow.
that you have, Marky Markman?
I believe I rest my case.
I have a question.
Yes, juror number 12.
How did it make you feel when you looked into my eyes?
Okay, that is not important.
Mama, I would like to roll to bring in my mom into
Yeah, roll. You don't even need to roll for that. You just bring her in.
Yeah, what?
Mama, I need you to get up there on the stand.
What? You want me to do what? You ordering me around now?
I'm gonna cross-examine you, Mama.
Huh? Judge,
During
do I have
what?
to do
No,
it?
no. Order in the court. This is not the case that we're talking about.
You know
right
what?
now.
No, let's do it. Let's do it. I'll get up there right now. Get out of here.
Ma'am,
Who's
you
this
need
guy?
to step back. Bailiff, arrest this woman.
I'm
Please
gonna sit
don't.
down on that.
Don't tase her. Please don't
Bailiff,
tase her.
bailiff, tase this woman. Get her out of here.
DM,
What do you
DM.
want?
DM, I would like
Yes,
to
yes, what's up?
Judge, it's judge.
Judge. Yeah, it's technically judge in this system.
judge.
Yeah, what's up?
I would like to do my juggling routine.
If you can tell me why you doing a juggling routine right now is helpful or pertinent, I will absolutely let you do it.
Because I know that the judge loves clown work, and so I want to distract the judge so that the mother can take the stand.
Tell me real quick, how does Bryan Logwood, prosecutor, know the judge likes clown work?
I have parked outside
Mhm.
of the judge's house, and I have seen on many occasions an entire caravan of tiny cars
Mhm.
with clowns exiting like a flood
Yeah.
into his home for many soirees and masquerades.
You have. So yeah, you pull out your juggling. Give me a performance roll.
10.
10. Your performance roll. Yeah, he sees you juggling. He goes, "Oh, wow, that is quite impressive,
Your
Mr.
Honor.
Logwood."
While he's
Oh, wow, that's
distracted,
good.
I want to
Yes.
go back up over to Jace, and without even really saying anything, I just slide an Andrew Jackson over.
He's bribing him. Look.
Yeah, how sneakily are you doing this?
Let me roll. That's a 3.
3. I need everyone on the jury to roll a perception check.
Okay.
20.
20,
15.
15,
27.
27,
20.
20,
32.
32. So everybody but one person on the jury notices that one guy on the jury has got his finger up his nose and he's looking off into the corner like, everybody else notices clearly Markman is slipping a bill to Jace.
I'll just yell out loud and I'll say, "He's paying me back for lunch."
Oh.
Does it, I was gonna say if that seems unconvincing to any of your juror members,
No.
roll a insight check.
No, we're good.
No, if it seems legit, you don't have to.
Bryan Logwood would like to use a reaction if possible.
Yeah.
I would like to use my ability to break into song.
You use your ability to break into song. What song do you break into?
So I'm juggling.
Yeah.
And as I'm juggling, Jace, remember your love for
Jace, give me the poison.
justice and beauty.
This is it.
Just give me back the poison.
Which one is it?
Remember your
I will-
Are you gonna poison,
past.
or are you gonna be?
Do the right
Serenaded.
thing, Jace. Be my friend, Jace.
Chances
I'm
pulled
gonna
out.
panic and I'm gonna drink the poison.
Yeah, you drink the poison. Everyone sees Jace, the stenographer, pull out a green vial and down it like a shot. Now, semi-flashback. I just need you to describe to me, Tristen, how effective will this poison be? How did Markman go about making this?
You see a scene of Markman in a dark garage with just only a couple dim flickering lights up above. There's water dripping, but the water dripping is part of a distillation process. It's titrated on a glass. You see a vial that's like at least like a tube dripping down into a flask. And to the right of that flask, as the camera pans over in this dimly lit, flickering light garage, you see rat poison, boxes and boxes and boxes, and every single one of them is all empty and like strewn on the floor, and all of it has been perfectly distilled through multiple distillation processes. We see like a fast forward time lapse of Marky Mark going meticulously box by box by box, perfectly concentrating it. Like at least 50 to 60 boxes all into one vial.
Yep. We see, so This poison is so effective, I'm going to say that, Jace, you now have exactly 3 rounds of action from everybody present before you die in this courtroom.
My action is immediately, what have you done, Jace? Jace, what did you do?
That's a free action. Do you actually want to do something?
Oh, I want to slap him.
Okay, you're going to slap him.
Ow.
Everyone else now sees Jace is now convulsing on the ground. The judge is just so mesmerized by your dancing and singing, Logwood, that he is just like, well, I believe this case is good. Oh my God. What is happening in my courtroom right now as he sees Jace? What is everyone else doing?
Chance jumps out and he's like, wait, I used to volunteer as an EMT, and I'm going to pull out a liter of Ipecac.
You're telling me that Chance just carries around that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And he's going to pour the Ipecac down Jace's throat.
Okay.
Like squeeze it.
I put my hand on you. Wait, I'm not sure it's going to work.
Just squeeze it.
Roll me a medicine check. Roll me a persuasion check to see if you can stop him.
I'm not necessarily trying to stop him. I'm legitimately telling him I don't think it's going to work.
Okay, you're just telling him you don't think it's going to work.
Yeah.
All right. What'd you get on your medicine check?
21.
21. You are able to squeeze that medicine down his throat. We will see if it takes effect soon enough in just a few turns. What are you two doing?
Yeah, so I got my mama into the ambulance on her way after being tased by the bailiff.
Yeah.
And
I'm
I came
so
running.
sorry, baby.
I came running back into the courtroom to see this moment, and I panic and try to find my Eisenhower back.
Roll me an investigation check.
A 3.
You cannot find that Eisenhower for shit.
I'm just like touching them all over.
Yeah.
Patting them down.
You're patting down Jace as he's convulsing from poison on the ground. Logwood, what are you doing?
I would like to, as while I'm continuing to juggle and continuing to sing,
Okay.
get down on one knee
Right.
by the convulsing Jace and give him a kiss on the forehead.
Roll me a concentration check to see if you can maintain your juggling. Because if your juggling goes down, the judge goes back to being serious.
That is a 16.
That is a 16. Yeah, you managed to keep it.
Wow.
You still managed to
Good
juggle
job.
while leaning down and giving Jace a kiss on the forehead. Jace,
That's
does that
sweet.
kiss affect you at all?
Yes, it affects me deeply. I will reach into my pocket best I can inside of the jacket the left jacket pocket, and hold out a piece of paper to you. It is my will. I left everything to you, including the beach in Cabo, the little tiny house that was in London. We did London. A little Airbnb side business in France. One of the other competitor to Airbnb that I can't think of right now,
Is
but
it
it's
Verbo that you're thinking of?
yeah,
Verbo?
Verbo. It's Verbo. That's
Bryan, you can't keep reading that whole thing. The judge is going to figure out what's going on any second.
the Verbo's in Kentucky.
The will is now part of the juggling circle.
Yeah. The will is now being juggled with the juggling balls and whatnot, which you need to, now that you've added something, I need you to re-roll me that concentration check.
Oh, no. 13.
13. You're barely managing to keep it together. So be careful. Next time you do something, it might be too hard.
Wait a minute. What do you mean it's not going to work?
It's not going to work because it's oh crap. I can't lie.
Yeah, you can't lie. And
Why isn't it going to work?
Say it and incriminate yourself.
Every poison has
Marky
an
Mark.
antidote. Where is this poison? Where did it come from?
It came from rat poison. And I'm going to try to run.
Okay, roll me an athletics check. I need the bailiff to also contest that real quick.
Okay. Marky Mark has a -5 to athletics, so that is a 5.
16.
16.
Yeah.
You managed to get about halfway down the court aisle before the bailiff, this giant of a muscular man, tackles you to the ground. You're going to take a few HP, actually. You're going to take 6 HP.
That's the rest of my HP.
Yeah, so you go unconscious.
Oh my gosh.
You smack your head against the barely carpeted concrete floor, and you go unconscious.
The opposite of rat poison is rats. And I see something moving in Marky Mark's pants. So I grab out the rat. And I say, "Hey, rat, you gotta do your duty here. You gotta bite this little guy." And I hold the rat up to for him to bite Jace.
And the rat bites Jace. It bites him, and then it scurries away.
Live, Jace, live.
All right, Macy May and Logwood, you both have one more action before we determine whether.
This is why Chance only volunteered as an EMT.
Yeah.
Whether
Jace dies.
I've become overwhelmed with emotion, and I just want to get my mama on the phone.
Okay.
So I actually find Jace's phone. I'm gonna find Jace's phone.
You fish it out of his pocket.
Yeah,
Because I don't own up my own phone.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm rolling.
It's in his pocket. Yeah.
17. It took me
Oh,
17 seconds to call my mama,
Yeah. You call your mama.
and I put her on speakerphone.
Baby, what is it?
Mama,
What?
I'm so sorry.
Oh, me too.
I'm sorry. I tried to get the judicial system involved in our familial dispute.
And I'm so sorry that I invaded your privacy. You're your own woman.
This place is a shit
Ma'am,
show.
ma'am, I need you to hold up the phone in the ambulance. You can't be on speakerphone in the ambulance.
What?
Mama, what are those fools telling you?
I don't care what they're telling me. I'm doing everything for you and here on out. Okay, baby, Macy May?
I love you. I'll let you touch Felicity when we get home.
Oh my gosh. That's sacred Furby.
Ma'am, we will have to tase you.
I gotta go, baby.
Ma'am,
I gotta go, baby. Just
hang up the phone right now, ma'am.
I love you.
Hang up. Hang up.
The phone disconnects.
I'm gonna sue all of you.
Okay, with Bryan's.
For those of you only listening, Whitney just had to spit her drink out.
So, Bryan, you are still managing to keep this juggling a hold, and the judge is still so mesmerized by it that we've allowed all of these ridiculous proceedings to occur. What are you doing now?
I would like to do a final flourish where I throw all of the objects up in the air and then catch them in one hand, and I do a big bow over Jace's body, and with my other hand, I deposit vitamin K1, the anticoagulant antidote for rat poison, into his mouth.
Okay.
Whoa.
Roll me a final performance check. This is going to be the highest DC yet.
Oh, come on.
Roll it.
That's a 9.
9. Roll me a medicine check now.
Okay.
That is a 9.
Okay.
It matched.
Yeah, matching.
So you manage this flourish. You throw everything up into the air. You catch everything except the will, which slips through your fingers and falls to the ground. But as it does, you lean forward and you slip this antidote into Jace's mouth. And then as you're finishing, because like you're kind of balancing on one foot to put the pill into his mouth. And as you step back, you step on the will and you slip on the will.
Whoa!
Roll me. Actually, I'm gonna say you take. Oh, okay. You slip back, but you only land on your butt. You take 2 damage.
Oh.
Jace. Lots happening here.
Yeah.
You begin to open your eyes, and you see about 3 or 4 faces hovering over you of different people that are from this courtroom.
I knew the rat bite would work.
Jace has survived. Thanks to the actual antidote being administered. And the judge goes, "Well, I believe we can come to a final conclusion on this trial here. Jury, what do we say?"
Your hair looks nice.
My hair looks nice.
And I'd say that is a guilty verdict. Liam Leopold is going to prison forever.
Oh yeah, that too.
I think I wake up and I hear that I'm also going to prison, right?
Yes, and then as soon as you do that, the bailiff goes, "You're going to jail too, kid."
Jace, I admire your final act of repentance.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna let you go out that easy, son. We got a world to change, Jace.
I'm so glad you believe in me.
You're the best man there is, so long as you remember where you came from.
And I came from you.
Marky Mark's getting like hauled away by the bailiff, and he's like, "I gave you a Lincoln. I gave you a goddamn Lincoln. You son of a bitch. You
shut your mouth.
It was a bottle. It was a bottle, not a can.
You shut your mouth too.
No, and then the judge finally says, "All right, now that that's done, there's some sort of civil dispute going on. Macy May, please bring your case forward."
Judge, I apologize. I am so sorry, but my mom and I, we're best buddies now.
What? The justice system doesn't make money on friends. Where is she? Where's your mother now?
No, this judicial system, this judicial place is a palace of corruption.
Now that is probably the most accurate thing I ever heard. Get out of my courtroom.
I'd like to file for marriage.
We'll pick that up next time on D&D Ish. Thanks for coming, everybody.
Courtroom drama.
Oh, I can't wait to know what case we do next.
Well, if it's anything like this one, nothing's going to get accomplished.
Courtroom drama.
That's the theme song.
It's a courtroom drama.
It's a courtroom drama.
Drama.
Jace, do the right thing, Jace. Remember your name,
Bryan
Jace.
Logwood.
It's justice for all.
Chief Prosecutor Bryan.
Your corruption is old,
Bryan.
Jace.
Bryan.
Take it away, Jace.
Bryan.
There's only one way to go.
It's a Chris George Washington, a Chris Thomas Jefferson, a Chris Abraham Lincoln, a Chris Alexander Hamilton, a Chris Andrew Jackson, a Chris Ulysses S. Grant, a Chris Benjamin Franklin.